Welcome back to the Physique Development YouTube channel. I am Coach Alex and I have a treat for you and your glute training today. This is one of my favorite current glute exercises, the supported back foot elevated B-Stance RDL. Let's hop in.
We develop physiques, we train, we educate, and we empower.
The equipment that you're going to need for this exercise is an incline bench, an elevation for your back foot, and a single dumbbell. The first thing we want to focus on when getting set up is the back foot elevation and our stride length in the B-stance. The back foot elevation only needs to be so much that we can bias a majority of our weight in that front leg. So it doesn't need to be a whole lot. What we have here is about 4 inches of elevation, and this allows for me to get almost all of my weight in that front leg. My stride length for the B-stance is pretty short. If I'm to put the back leg too far back, this is going to turn more into a squat relative to a hinge. Because if that back foot is too far back, my ability to push my hips back is going to be significantly less than if I have my stance be a little bit shorter. And this is what we're trying to prioritize in this movement by pushing our hips back and pushing our hips forward. When loading this exercise, we're going to hold the dumbbell in the opposite hand of the leg that is forward. The reason for this is that a function of the glute max and the glute med is going to be abduction of the upper leg. And by loading the dumbbell in the opposite hand, we're going to be putting a greater stress on that portion of the glute max and glute med. We're also going to have the bench out in front of us to provide even greater support, because the goal here is to get almost all of our weight in that front leg. And by having this support, I'm able to lift this back leg up and have all the weight in this leg and go through the exercise if I so chose to do so. But this is the goal that we want to get to. So before you even start the exercise, make sure that you're able to do that. You may be thinking, Alex, I don't have the incline bench. I'm just going to do it without it and it'd probably be okay. And yes, you're still going to be training your glutes and you're going to get a little bit more quad, but the reality is without this support, you're going to be having to stay over your center of mass more. And again, this is going to turn more into a squat relative to the hinge that we're trying to perform. To initiate the exercise, I'm going to ensure that I have tension through my glutes and my hips are fully extended. I'm going to brace my core and fill my belly with air and crunch down on it. My initiating action is going to be pushing my hips back. As I push my hips back, I'm going to bend slightly at the knee. This is going to give me a greater bias towards my glutes than if I was to be more stiff through the knee and push my hips back. If I was to be more stiff through my knee, I would have a greater hamstring bias in this particular exercise. Because I'm having that bend in the knee, I'm able to push my hips back further and have that bias towards my glutes. Now that I have my end range identified, I'm going to maintain that tension on my glutes and I'm going to initiate out of the bottom by driving my hips forward. It's not so much that I'm going to lift the weight with my upper body, but I'm going to lift my upper body by driving my hips forward. When selecting your support, you want to ensure that your arm is in alignment with your shoulder when placing. If your arm is across your body, you're going to impede on your ability to hinge properly, as well as kind of contorting your upper body in a weird position that's going to be uncomfortable. So ensure that your arm is in alignment with your shoulder when selecting the support is going to be key. And that's a wrap for this exercise. And if you've watched this far, you're probably very invested in growing your glutes. And I have worked diligently over the last year to create a 16-week glute-focused training program that is guaranteed to get you the best results of your life. And the beautiful thing is that we decided to take the first 4 weeks of that training program and give it to you completely for free. That program will be the first link in the description box. Enjoy and happy glute gains. As a sign of appreciation, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, make sure you like this video, and we'll see you in the next one.